Opening shot of an ant colony. Narrator: ants are among the most successful and fascinating insects on Earth. With over 12,000 known species, ants have adapted to nearly every ecosystem on the planet. But one aspect of their biology that is especially intriguing is their unique mating behavior. Cut to footage of ants mating. Narrator: in most ant colonies, mating occurs during a specific period known as the nuptial flight. During this time, winged male and female ants take to the air to mate. Once they have mated, the male dies and the female returns to the ground to establish a new colony. Cut to footage of queen ant and drones. Narrator: in many species, the queen ant is responsible for producing all the offspring in the colony. However, in some species, multiple queens coexist, and each is responsible for laying a portion of the eggs. These colonies are known as polygynous. Cut to footage of different ant species. Narrator: some ant species, on the other hand, have only one queen, but she mates with multiple males. These colonies are known as polydrous. The genetic diversity that results from polyandry can increase the chances of the colony surviving threats such as disease and predators. Cut to footage of ants working. Narrator: ant colonies are complex societies that function through the division of labor. Each ant has a specific role to play in the colony, with some ants responsible for tending to the queen, while others forage for food or defend the colony from predators. Cut to footage of ants communicating. Narrator: ants communicate with each other using chemical signals called pheromones. These signals allow ants to coordinate their activities, such as foraging for food or defending the colony from predators. Ants also use visual cues and vibrations to communicate with each other. Cut to footage of ants carrying eggs. Narrator: the queen ant lays eggs that hatch into larvae, which then develop into worker ants. In some species, the queen determines the fate of the eggs by depositing certain chemicals on them. These chemicals can cause the larvae to develop into either workers or soldiers, depending on the needs of the colony. Cut to footage of ants building a nest. Narrator: ants build their nest in a variety of locations, including underground, in trees, or in buildings. The type of nest they build depends on the species and the environment in which they live. Some ants build complex nests with multiple chambers, while others construct simple tunnels.